Hello and welcome to part 2 of our architectural house speedrun. It is Nicola from ArchPro, and in this part we will design the house itself. First, we will delete any unnecessary furniture and we will copy it outside our building for now. Let's leave the walls only. We will add the furniture later. Now we have an idea in mind. The entrance we want to be from the south, and we want it to be exactly at the southwest side. That's why we begin from there. First, we draw a wall there. Let's make all external walls with the same properties. The window we will need in the living room, which will be at the southeast part of the drawing. And now let's draw a stair. We will need an L-shaped stair in this case. It will start from the here they are. It will start from the entry and then it will go straight up and to the east and to the upper floor. Yes, this is the L-shaped stair. Let's delete all unnecessary stair objects. That will simplify the drawing and make its size less. Yes, now we cleaned all stair objects. And let's make it L-shaped with curved steps. And now we will set the correct types of steps. Name it. Delete the other one. Interestingly enough, I can't change the symbolic cut plane, but let's leave it as it is. Now we will place dimensions. We need dimensions all the time to control the correct size of each room. At the northern part we will create bedroom and a bath. The bedroom will be at the northeast side and the bath at the northwest side. This will be the wall separating the bath from the bedroom. Let's mark the entry. You can see where it is now. It's at the southwestern part. Meanwhile, we are looking at the dimensions to set all dimensions at correct numbers, not number 0.5, for instance. We are trying them to be integer numbers. This is the entry door, and this is the door for the living room. Let's copy our zones back. This is the living room. This is the bedroom, and this will be the total area. We have a toilet and a bath there. the bath will be at the northern side and the toilet at the southwest. We copy our furniture back. This is the bath. It seems too small right now. We will need to enlarge it. Yes, it's slightly constructed, but we have enough space. Since the toilet is in the other room, to the south of this, maybe we won't need toilet in the bath. And that's why it's better right now. Let's copy the sofas and the dining tables in the living room. Our living room will be of a type of an open living room, with the kitchen space open to the seating area and also the dining table. When placing sofas, make sure that you have in mind where the television set will be, so that it can be viewed both from the people sitting at the sofas and also can be viewed by the people dining at the dining table. This is only the external walls. We trim them correctly, and all internal walls we will make them with less width. We work simultaneously on both floors. We copied the external walls on the floor above, and now we will start drawing the rooms. We have two baths, one accessible from the corridor and the other from the master bedroom to the northeast. Both bedrooms that will be to the south will have their own balcony, which will be above a veranda on the floor below. We notice that the bedroom to the northeast is too big, and that's why we move the walls that way. This is the kitchen unit. We will stretch it that way so that we can place the dining table to the south of it. This is a dining table. Let's make the stair slightly different. Yes, on this floor we have no significant problems. We can place the dining table even that way. We need to correct now the top floor. This is the first bedroom. It must be at least 300 centimeters in width. We rename the stories for our convenience. And now we will correctly draw the internal walls. We have 3 bedrooms, as you can see. We place their doors correctly and make sure that the corridor is not too lengthy. Long corridors usually make bad impressions because you seem, especially for claustrophobic people. We will rename now our zones. This is the corridor, and we will make a walk-in closet on the southwest part, southwest side of the bedroom. Still, we have a lot of space in the living room that we can make use of it later. This is the foyer. We draw a line to separate the zone from the stair. Let's remove the railing from the stair and place our walls correctly. And now the zone will update, of course. Yes, we will build a small cantilever on the floor above to increase the size of the bedroom and to add some more aesthetics to the north elevation. On the floor below, we will make all rooms as small as possible. We need this house to be an economic one. We connect our walls and we will make both bathrooms the same size. Four square meters is more than enough for a bath. A small drawback of the plan is that the northeastern bedroom, which has the worst direction of view, has the biggest area. Still, it can be easily corrected by moving its external walls to the west. We update the total area. And now it's time to build the slabs. First we build the slab of the house. We paste it on the top floor to its original location. And this is the slab of the balcony to the southeast. We change the materials of all walls and slabs. Some walls we use phase 1 and others phase 2. We will change the phase 2 surface by going to our render, in this case scene render, and we will change the surface appearance and surface color also. That will make it more similar to the phase 1. The living room will generally have the biggest windows. That's why we place these 3 such windows in the living room. We place external stairs. This is a library part I created, but you can do it with the Archicad stairs and stair maker. Or, as I previously did it, with slabs. Just use 3 different slabs and it shall be enough. Just don't forget to elevate them when you place them. We'll use our library part for the railing. It is a specific Bulgarian type railing with columns. It's wooden and it's traditional Bulgarian in its aesthetics. We use a polyline to set the boundary for the zone of the balcony. And we place the balcony doors, make sure that they are opened to the inside. That means to the room. Let's place the railings in the wall layer so that they can be viewed in 3D. We make sure that all walls are aligned between the 2 floors. Now let's set the correct height of all the slabs. We set them to be 15 centimeters in thickness, and let's elevate them correctly. Now we will elevate the railings. Yes, we selected them using Find and Select, and we changed their appearance. Thanks for watching. That was part 2 of our Archicad house speedrun. It's Nicola from ArchPro signing off.